Question number 4, multiply the following. So we can see here, first you'll have to multiply by 2x and the given factor here. So one must have to open the bracket here. So first thing, you'll have to multiply the number, that is, we can see here 2 and 3. 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. After that, here the variables we have here, x square into y square will be the same value here. You'll have to drop down x square y square. Now the next step here, you'll have to multiply these two, but before that you'll have to check their sign here. Plus into minus will be minus. After that, here we can see here 2 into 4, that is 2 4s are 8. Now followed by the variable we have here x square, followed by here z. Since these two are unlike terms, so not possible to subtract these two, so that will be our product here. Now the next one here, first you can multiply here the value, that is 5 and 6. So 5 6 are, yes, that is 30. Deno place we have here 2 into 1, that is equals to 2, followed by the variables here we have m square followed by n. So here n, here also n. So the power 1 plus 1, that will give here square. Again here these two you'll have to multiply, but before that you'll have to check their sign. Plus into minus will be minus. Now 5 into 3, that is equals to 15, followed by 2 into here deno plus 1, so 2 1 will be 2, followed by the numeric, that is variables here. We can see here m square into m, so that will be the power you'll have to add here 2 plus here the power we have here 1, that is equals to 3. The next one, the variable here n, only single piece, so power 1 we don't need to mention here. Again here, if you observe this number properly, both are even numbers, so we can reduce here. So with 2 we can cancel here 2 into 1 times, so 1 in hand, again 2 into 5, that equals to 10. That means here we have 15 m square followed by n square minus 2 table. Do we get? No. So that means you'll have to drop here 15 divided by 2, m to the power 3 n. And the third one here, again we can see. Now like we have done the previous sum, the same rule you'll have to follow. Multiply these two places here. So 3 into 2, yes, that is 6, followed by the variable we can see here x raised to 4, here x raised to 1. So these two power you'll have to add, then we get here 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. Again here it has a variable y. Now again here these two you'll have to multiply, but before that we can check their sign also. Minus into plus will be minus, then 7 2s are, we have here 14, followed by the variable x, here only 1, again here variable y, here 2 plus 1, that will give here 3. Now these two not possible to subtract because these two are unlike terms. Now here again you'll have to multiply the numerator place first. Minus into plus, which is equals to minus 4 into 14. So 4 4s are 16, 1 in hand, 4 into 1 4 plus 1, which is equals to 56. Again deno place you'll have to multiply. 3 into 7 will be 21, 2 in hand, 3, 2 will be 6, plus remainder, that is equals to 81. Now the variables here, first we can see the variable x, so x raised to 1, here x to the power 2, so you'll have to add the power here 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. Now the second variable we have here y, which is only single piece. Third letters we have z, that also a single piece. Now again these two you'll have to multiply, so before that we can check their sign. Minus into minus, that is plus. Numerator place you'll have to take here 4 into 7, that is equals to 28. Now deno place here 27 into, again here 3, which is equals to, we get here 81. Now the variable here x, so single piece, again here y, it has a y raised to 1, here y raised to 2, so now 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. Now the last, that is a variable z left. Now since these two are unlike terms, not possible to add these two. Now the next one, again we can follow the same rule here. First we can multiply these two part. So 10 into 3, which is equals to 30. After that here 1 2 decimal point, like this here 1 2 decimal point, nothing is here, consider here 0, followed by the variables y into x square. So it can be just taken here y x square, plus minus will be minus. Again here 10 into 4, which is equals to 40. 1 2 decimal, so 1 2 decimal point, so here 0. Now the letters y into y, that means here y to the power 1 plus 1, which is equal to square. The next sum here, again first we can open the bracket here. At the same time you'll have to multiply these two terms. So we have 4 by 3 into 1 will be the same here, followed by the variables a 1 here 3, so the sum will become here 4, again plus again 4 by 3 into this value. So numerical value will be as this 4 by 3, but variables here a b cube.